Hello all, welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel. A great news for you, Ingenuity Gaming is hiring through us. So let's see for which role they are hiring for. So they are hiring for trainee associate game developer. People who have dream of becoming a game developer, this job is right for you. Let's see who are eligible for this. So companies looking for BE Tech or MCA or ME Tech, any specialization it could be, but should be well versed in programming. Let's talk about the job description. So the position will be responsible for developing games for both desktop and mobile. Candidate should be quick learner, ability to learn new technologies and understand different frameworks, libraries and tools. Suddenly as fresher you may feel too much complicated when I am reading this, but when you join this company you will be kept in a training period and you should be able to learn everything so easily and you should have to implement too quickly. Let's talk about the third point. Candidate should understand software engineering practices. And the fourth point is positive attitude and good team player. In general, when you're working as a game developer, you may have to discuss or coordinate with lot of developers. So this is a must one. And next point is strong work ethic and bring their best every day. And next one is good communication, analytical and problem solving skill. Good to have knowledge on JavaScript, TypeScript or Python or C++. So let's talk about the job location. It is in Noida. So once after this recruitment process, once if you get selected, you have to relocate your location. So if you can see here in note, they are clearly mentioning that candidates should be ready to relocate to job location as requested by company. And there is also a bond which is for 2 years. Coming to the salary part, which is the most important part in any job description. They are saying that it is 3 to 7.2 LPA. So basically do not just think like it is related to your experience. It's not like that. Basically when you are in training period, it will be a different LPA and so on. When you get into the main position, I mean to say after your training period, you will be getting your 7.2 LPA. So first things first, here they are saying training period is for 6 months and trainee will be shifted to permanent based according to his performance. So this will happen only post completion of your 6 months as trainee. So all when it comes to eligibility, MTech, MCA, BTech and any specialization they are saying here. So a lot of people will come into this. So it will be a tough competition among yourself and people who are looking for gaming section. This is a dream job for you and you shouldn't leave this. So I'll be keeping this link in the description below. All the best for the interview and we are coming up with more interesting videos for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.